So if you're in the business of online marketing, tracking software is a pretty important piece of your business. Now in this video, I'm going to be reviewing and comparing some of the top 3 tools, Volume, ClickTool, and ClickMagick. I'll be going over a number of different factors as well as the cost of each of these programs in this video. So stay tuned. I'll be walking you through some of these programs as well on my computer over there. Let's check out these different software tools that are used for click tracking. Now, click tracking is so important because it allows you to split test pages easier, and it also allows you to really get deep analytics into your data so you can optimize those marketing campaigns and make more money from whatever you're selling online. Now, I've used these software tools. Personally, my success came about in large part to Volume. When I started using a click tracking tool, it took my game from making a few $1,000s per day to making over $35,000 per day. And because the extra layer of insights into my data and being able to split test ads and landing pages quicker and offers as well allowed me to just optimize everything in my business very easily so that I could make more money and do more cool shit. First thing I'm going to be looking at is actually the integrations, okay? Having your click tracking tool integrated with the ad networks you're working on or with affiliate networks or just with other software tools that you might be using is a very helpful thing for whatever you're doing. Now, Volume gets a check because they have some pretty cool integrations. They've been around for a while, which I'll address in a second. So they get a check there. ClickTool is a newer company on the market. ClickTool doesn't have many integrations yet, and actually neither does ClickMagick. So Volume kind of wins on the integrations area. And just to note is I'll be going over these couple factors, and then we'll be headed over to my computer to I'll actually kind of walk you through some of these things of these tools. Google and Facebook hate redirections. It's a sad reality. They don't like it when you're redirecting people to other websites. And that's one of the reasons why affiliate marketing, direct linking it's called, it's hard. You can't just place an affiliate link in Facebook or in Google or in YouTube. They require you to just place whatever website your user is going to end up on. That's why having a tool that provides you technology that doesn't mean you have to redirect your user, where that URL changes multiple times, is very important. So Volume recently released this feature that you don't have to have redirections. So they get a check there. They're doing good in that field. ClickTool, very cool company. They have a very cool technology, proprietary technology they built out to make sure that you never have to have your link redirect so that the ad networks won't flag your marketing as having redirects. So very good, very interesting technology there. Big fan of ClickTool. Now the next thing, ClickMagick unfortunately doesn't, you have to have redirects with ClickMagick, so doesn't score in that category. Now the next category is time in business, okay? And time in business is an important factor for me because it kind of tells me if that company or that software has been consistent over time. So many companies come and go in the internet industry that it's maddening, and it's also a big suck to have to constantly learn new software and constantly go around changes. That's why time in business is a pretty important factor to know the longevity of whatever software tool you're using. Now, Volume gets a great mark. 5 years in business. They've been around a while and they're doing very well. I mean, Volume is the top dog in the click tracking space. They're the #1 used click tracking tool, and it's for a reason. They do a pretty good job with a lot of stuff, and they've been around for a while. ClickTool has only been around, less than a year. So we'll just give them a black mark because that's not too long in business. It's only been around a couple months as of the time of me talking about this. And also, I mean, ClickTool is run by a good friend of mine, very smart affiliate marketer, extremely successful, runs an 8-figure affiliate business. And that's why I find what he's doing really innovative, but they haven't been around too long. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, ClickMagick has been around for a while, and you see they've been around for 4 years, so they've worked out all the, a lot of the tweaks and all that stuff in their platform, and runs very consistently. So that's good to know. Now, for the last factor, cost, I'm going to go over the cost of each of these programs. So Volume comes in, I'm going to give them a black mark at $69 per month, okay? And all of these costs are going to be monthly, but $69 per month is just the starting package. And at that price, it makes it the most expensive click tracking software. But again, they score well on the other items. That's why they can charge so much. It will be the more expensive software that you will be purchasing if you go for Volume. Now, ClickTool, as I said, they're a new entrant on the market, and their cost is free. Okay, so that's an amazing offer, and it's free up to 10,000 clicks. So once you start sending volume, which means you start sending a lot of traffic, a lot of clicks as an affiliate marketer, you're gonna have to start spending money. But then it's only a penny a click, so you're not actually paying a lot of money even after that. So they make their cost really competitive, and that's how they compete. And that, coupled with their really proprietary redirectionless technology, makes them a really awesome choice. Now, the last one, ClickMagick, scores pretty well, good as well. I think their cost is $19 a month or something very cheap like that. So they score very well on that category as well. Let's go over to my computer and we'll check out these websites. These are the different company websites, so you know what I'm talking about. Here's Volume. This is what they look like. And they have a lot of different stuff they can do, track, analyze, optimize, and scale. And what's cool about Volume is that they're directly integrated with 2 of their ad networks, their display side provider and also ZeroPark, which allows you to place ads on millions of websites worldwide, which makes it a really cool solution. And it has, all these deep integrations with advertising to help make it easier for you to do stuff. And look, they're even building a lot of really cool stuff such as AI and also a offers marketplace to find other affiliate offers that you want to do, that you'd like to promote easier. They also have their own app. So they have a lot of stuff there. So even though it is the most expensive, you get a lot for your money. Now here we are on ClickTool, and ClickTool is run by my friend here. His name is Carlos Cruz, and he's a super affiliate. He makes a lot of money as an affiliate marketer. He's very successful, and when he created a software tool for this industry, I was really excited, and it works amazingly because of their redirectionless technology. Okay, oh, and here you can see there's actually a, that's pretty cool, a testimonial from me. ClickTool is the best tracking software out there, and we use it in-house for our media buying teams. But what I like about it most is that there are no redirects. And this is all true. The fact that it is no redirects makes it an amazing solution. And I mean, you can direct link affiliate offers through them. Just makes it really cool. Great option. Now, ClickMagick, here's ClickMagick. As again, it looks like a fairly older website, but very user-friendly. And here we can see their pricing. If their monthly billing, I guess it's $17 a month. So don't have to spend too much money to get started with them. The plans go up to $100 a month, which isn't that bad. And a lot of top marketers use them, so it's a great solution for whatever you're doing. What's really cool about ClickMagick is they actually offer some free training on how to use click trackers. And I'm actually going to insert a link to ClickMagick's free training here. You see they have a 1-hour guide to click tracking, and this is very powerful. They have 6 different modules: track it or die trying, 3 things you must track, conversion tracking basis, tracking affiliate sales, testing and optimization, and bots and click fraud. And if you go through these different trainings, you will have a pretty solid understanding of not just click tracking, but a better understanding of affiliate marketing as well. So let me know in the comments what click tracking tool appeals most to you. And also like this video if you got some value from it. And for God's sake, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you're looking for more training on how to get into this industry of affiliate marketing, start making money, travel the world, do what you want, or whatever jazz it is you want to do. Looking forward to seeing you in another video. Have a great day or night or afternoon, wherever you are.